Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, Honorable Deputy Speaker, sir, thanks for allowing me to participate in this budget discussion. I rise to support the budget tabled by the Honorable Chief Minister. So I have gone through the budget speed and it is found that all sectors have been covered and this budget has been prepared through consideration of merit. I thank the Honorable Chief Minister and his cabinet for this budget. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I would like to bring to the attention of the government, through you, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, the following project scheme of Nongstoin which are lying pending and delayed for a year now. Nongstoin Urban Water Supply Scheme, which was initiated in the year 2010 and sanctioned in the year 2011, is yet to be completed and commissioned due to shortage of fund allocation. And the point number 2, the district jail. District jail Nongstoin has been initiated for the last 2 decades, but till date is yet to be completed because of shortage of fund allocation. Number 3, Mother and Child Hospital Nongstoin. The building and infrastructure of a Mother and Child Hospital Nongstoin have been completed, but it is yet to be operationalized due to non-sanction of manpower which is pending with the government. Polytechnic. Number 4, Polytechnic. Construction of Polytechnic at Nongstoin was started for the last 5 years, but the same is delayed and yet to be completed also because of the shortage of fund allocation. And number 5, Nongkrum River Island. Nongkrum River Island is one of the most popular tourist destinations in our state, being the second largest river island in Asia, which is next to Majuli in Assam. This tourist destination required special attention from the government so as to ensure the flow of tourists visiting this river island from across the country as well as from across the world, and also to generate revenue and employment to the local youth of the area. And number 6, Mr. Deputy Speaker, I would like to highlight, because due to the time constraint, I want to place before the House the very important issue relating with regard to my constituency Nongstoin. Number 6, Nongkenjang Sub-Center, which I already raised in the last budget session. Upgradation of Nongkenjang Sub-Center into a PHC has been approved by the government long back and is still awaiting sanction from the government. Upgradation of Nongstoin Sub-Center into a full-fledged PHC is very much pressing hard by the people living in and around the locality within Nongstoin Assembly constituency. Sir, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, with regard to Nongstoin town, as Nongstoin is the central part of the state of Jylla and one of the oldest district in the state of Macmillan, if we measure from end to end lengthwise, Nongstoin is the central part of the state of Macmillan. Therefore, I request the government to identify for selecting Nongstoin town as one of the towns to be converted into a smart town for various developmental projects. And the last point, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I would like to bring to the attention of the House regarding the land bill. The Khasil Autonomous District Land Regulation Bill 2021 passed by the KHADC and required expeditious disposal by the government. Now the matter is pending with the government. This land bill to be operated within the jurisdiction of KHADC is a very important bill. It will help the people living in the interstate border with Assam, because as per the present restriction of land that we adopted, the old age that we call it restriction of land 1908 is not applicable within the Khasil jurisdiction. Therefore, Mr. Deputy Speaker, I would like to draw your kind attention to the government that we should require early disposal of this bill so as to enable the people living within Khasil Autonomous Council. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, with this few submission, I once again request the government of the day, the aforementioned issue pertaining to Nongstoin, I request that the government should take immediate step for early sanction, for early implementation of the above project. On this submission, I would like to resume my seat, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir.
Thank you.